crunchy and sweet. B is for boat that sails on the creek. C is for car that goes vroom vroom. D is for dinosaur stomping in the room. Come along, sing with me. Let's learn letters A to Z. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Learning letters is so neat. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog that jumps all day. G is for giraffe with a long, long neck. H is for helicopter, up, up, up on deck. Come along, sing with me. Let's learn letters A to Z. Wave your arms and wiggle your nose. Learning letters as it goes. I is for igloo, chilly and cool. J is for jelly beans, bright as a jewel. K is for kangaroo, bouncing so high. L is for ladybug, flying through the sky. Clap, 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 let's make some noise. Letters and sounds are full of joys. Jump, 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 let's have some fun. Learning letters one by one. N is for monkey, swinging on a vine. N is for nest, where baby birds dine. O is for octopus, wiggling its arms. P is for pirate, searching for charms. Come along, sing with me. Let's learn letters A to Z. Wiggle, giggle, dance and play. Learning letters every day. Q is for queen with a sparkling crown. R is for robot, dancing around. S is for snake, slithering by. T is for turtle, waving hi. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for volcano, blasting away. W is for whale, splashing in the sea. X is for xylophone, play it with glee. Y is for yak with fuzzy thick hair. Z is for zebra with stripes everywhere. We sang our ABCs, hooray for you. Now you know them, yes you do.